Hey guys, welcome back to Salt and Prepper. This is Anisha and today we are going to cook pork with Bambooshoot. But before proceeding, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get timely updates. I have also written down the entire recipe in the description box both in English and in Assamese. Do check that out. Now let's begin. Here I have half a kg of pork, then salt, then 14 to 16 cloves of garlic, then 4 to 5 dices of ginger, 3 to 4 dried chilies, 1 handful of coriander, 3 medium-sized onions, then fermented bamboo shoot and Kashmiri Mirch powder. Take 4 to 5 dices of ginger, 14 to 16 cloves of garlic and 3 to 4 dried chilies in a mixing jar. We will grind these into a paste. Now chop the onions finely. And we will also chop the coriander leaves. Now heat a pan and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. This oil is only to fry the onions. The flame should be on low to medium throughout the process. We will be frying this until the onions start to caramelize. Add salt as per taste and 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri Mirch powder. Give this a nice mix. Then add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Give this a nice mix. Now after the onions have started to caramelize, we will now add the boiled pork. To boil the pork, put it in the pressure cooker, add water such that the pieces submerge and just add a pinch of salt and give it 2 whistles. Mix everything well. After frying the pork for 2 to 3 minutes, we will now add the paste that we made out of the ginger, garlic and dried chilies. And we'll fry this again until the raw smell of the ginger and garlic is gone. Then add approximately 400 to 500 ml of water and give it a nice mix. Now we will add 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of bamboo shoot. Here I am using the fermented ones. You can also use the fresh ones. Mix this well. And finally add the chopped coriander and give it a nice stir. Now put on the lid for another 15 to 20 minutes. And after 15 to 20 minutes, your pork with bamboo shoot is ready. Thanks for watching the video and I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get timely updates.